Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you French sounds, the nasal sounds. Yeah, these are some nasal combinations and some things. I'm going to teach you French nasal sound. I will start from the first, like A and E, and the sound is so it is fans. A and E, N, like vowel in bar, so it is like farm. This is a nasal sound. But if you have A double N, E double N, the sound is an, because you have double N. But if you have single N, the sound is so it is fans. EM sound is fa, but is amane, amane, mone, amane. In, AIN, EIN. The sound is like is man, so it is fan, nasal sound. IM, AIM, the sound like a man in fam. I plus vowel, again I plus vowel. In the last lecture I teach you what is the sound of when you have I, then another vowel, so it is I becomes Y, so it is bien. Then ION, station. Then OI, now OI sound is wa, so it is le vent. ON sound is on, OM sound is on, so it is bon, tombe. UN sound is like in lung, so it is un, un, un. So friends, these are the combinations of nasal sound, vowel plus nasal sounds. Next lecture I will start some dialogues, some chapters. See you next time. Thank you.